This battery is damaged permanently. This is the condition here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this hair trimmer. Its battery is not charging. Although it is not a very expensive item, but this video will give us an idea that how to troubleshoot some circuit. First step, we will check battery voltage. Battery is dead, 0 volt. Now we will check this charger. That means the power is reaching here. The charger is providing a voltage. Yes, it is charging. If you check original battery, yes, it is also now started charging. That means it was not making good connection here. Now I will verify the trimmer using this battery. It's working. After approximately 1.5 hours, this battery is reached just 0.37 volt. That means this battery is dead. This battery voltage are increasing, but this battery is not charging. Let's check the reason of this battery. why it is not charging. This is the problem. So this battery is damaged permanently. This is the condition here. So I will replace battery. Yes, now the voltage are 3.499. That means this battery is charging nicely. Yes, that's it. This trimmer machine stopped working within just only 1 week. That its battery was poor quality battery. That battery expired and it stopped working. Now I used one battery, second-hand battery, that is most of the time used in power banks, laptop batteries, that are the same. So I used 3.7 volt battery, and I hope this used battery, second-hand battery, will work better than its original battery. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.